Hello YouTube, today I will show you how I made my DIY overhead camera and light setup. I have used a plyboard for the frame. And then I made holes with a drill machine. For the left and right legs of the frame, I used 24 inches of plyboard pieces. You can choose it as per your requirement. For resting the frame on the table, I made this setup with 2 small plyboard pieces for each side. Then I fixed all these parts with the screw. I have changed my small plyboard piece with the bigger one, which helps me to slide the frame easily on my table. For lights, I made holes as per my requirement. I made these 2 holes for my LED tube light. For the overhead camera mount, I made a hole in the center of the longest plyboard piece. Then I fixed the camera mounting screw on it. I have also added some camera mountings attachment here, which helps me to move my camera slightly in all directions.
Invincible.
I have added switches for the left and right side of the LED. These LED are so powerful, so that I use them as per my requirement.
Invincible.
So this is my DIY camera setup. Now I use it for my video creation. And I can say these are pretty good, it helps me a lot. If you like this camera setup, then please hit like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestions and ideas, then put it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching it. See you guys in the next experiment.